Hello dear parents and students. Welcome to TestprepKart channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about the NEET NRI eligibility and the documents required for MBBS admission. So if you are an NRI student who want to pursue MBBS course in India, this video is exactly what you need to watch right now because there are a lot of questions which come in our mind while taking the admission in India when we are not really living here, but we have the chances because we are a non-resident citizen but a citizen of India. So in this video, we are going to be talking about the eligibility, age, the subject option in class 10th and 12th and minimum marks required, who will fall under NRI category, the person who is living abroad and who is not living in India, the minimum time which they should be living outside India, and the other documents amongst others. So brace yourself, hold on, and watch the full video carefully. First of all, about the MBBS for NRI students in India. The medical courses in India are a choice of vast number of students. The Indian medical education is governed by the MCI, that is Medical Council of India, as we all know already. It is for the popular medical courses at undergraduate level. The admission is done based on the NEET UG entrance examination, and based on the NEET scores, students are allocated the seats in different colleges across the country. Apart from that, the 15% All India quota and 85% state quota deemed universities in India offer admission to NRI students under 15% NRI quota reserved by the Medical Council of India. Both persons of Indian origin and the overseas citizens of India are included in NRI quota. Please keep this in mind that both the person of Indian origin as well as the overseas citizens of India are included in this NRI quota. However, it is necessary for them to clear NEET. That is the basic prerequisite. Now, before we proceed further, let me tell you one thing that we at TestprepKart have prepared a NEET ebook related to NRI quotas. So, if you are an NRI student, please check that out in the link given below in the description. Now, let's talk about who all are NRI candidates. The candidates fall in the NRI category if he or she meets the following criteria. Number 1, the candidate must be of Indian origin and settled in a foreign country. Number 2, the Indian citizens' children staying in abroad for business or employment are also considered as NRI. Number 3, the children who are born abroad but the parents are of Indian origin fall under the NRI category. And number 4, last but not the least, I know there are a lot amongst you who fall under this category, which is the candidates who are a citizen of central or state government employees who are staying abroad on deputation period as considered. They are also considered as NRI. That is about it. Next is about the age limit. There is no upper age limit, but the minimum age limit is 17 years for giving NEET UG and maximum is 25 for giving NEET UG examination. Next is the MBBS admission eligibility criteria for NRI students. So that includes the applicant must be holding a valid passport that I'm sure you all must be having. Number 2 is the seats offered under NRI quota will only and only be allocated to the bona fide NRIs. Number 3, the candidate must have qualified NEET 2021 examination if we talk about, that was an example. I wanted to say that the candidate must have qualified the examination of that particular year that they are going to approach the MBBS seat for. It's not like the TOEFL examination that you can give the examination this year and the scores are valid for 3 years. No, it's not like that. If you want to take admission this particular year, you have to qualify the NEET entrance examination of this particular year. Apart from that, the candidates applying under NRI sponsorship must have a real blood relation to the financial supporter, be it the father, mother, sister, brother, uncle, or aunt, anyone. Now, about the subjects which we need to opt in, which we must be having in class 12 in order to appear for NEET examination. So, the candidate must have physics, chemistry, and biology in 12th class or the equivalent examination, and they must clear these three 60% or above. So they must be having 60% or above in these three subjects. Apart from that, the documents required for NRI MBBS admission in India. Number 1 is the valid passport. Number 2 is the student's visa. Number 3 is NOC from the Ministry of External Affairs and the Government of India, New Delhi. Number 4 is the no objection certificate issued by the ambassador or the competent authority of candidate's country to allow their stay and study in India. Number 5 is class 10th mark sheet. Number 6, class 10th passing certificate. Keep this in mind. The mark sheet and passing certificate are different. Next is mark sheet of the qualifying examination, that is NEET scores. Next is vaccination certificate. I hope you all know why that is necessary. That is the most necessary for now as the COVID is at its peak. Next is transfer certificate, health certificate, migration certificate, health insurance certificate, community certificate, and passport size colored photographs of the candidate, that is 6 in number, and the joint declaration by the parent and the applicant as per the format. Last but not the least, recent stamp size colored photograph. Keep in mind, this is stamp size colored photograph. The previous ones were passport size. The stamp size colored photographs, 4 in number. So that's about the documents that you require. And apart from that, one more thing which is very important is the candidate must have been living abroad as an NRI for a minimum of 5 years in order to be considered as an NRI. That means you must have cleared your 10th and 12th examination from that particular country that you are residing in right now in order to apply in India MBBS course as an NRI candidate. So that's about the eligibility, age criteria, the subjects that we need to opt, and that minimum marks which are required for applying for NEET entrance examination, about the NRI category and who all are eligible to be taking admission in India as NRIs. So that's all about it. And if you still have any doubts, you can totally ask to us in the comment section below, or you can directly talk to us by the link given in the description below. Apart from that, subscribe to the TestprepKart channel in order to get the first notification of every single video that we make regarding the NEET, the MBBS admission, about the different colleges for MBBS and medical examination in India. And apart from that, different medical colleges applying and which give admission under NRI quotas in every single state. I hope this video was much of a help for you. Thank you and have a nice day. Please stay safe.